picked him out to perfection. They tell centre forwards to head the ball down. That's what makes it difficult for the goalkeeper. Herzegowina with the delivery. Dzeko not going to see it on the replay. A miscue from Lulic, but certainly not from Herzegowina. Cross was from the fullback initially. Herzegowina. Excellent finish from Herzegowina. He's now got 7 for this campaign. A super header. Absolutely no chance for Yela. He's entitled to expect a better jump, really, from the defender. It was Quintans who was beaten too easily in the air. 3-0 Bosnia. Ibrahimovic, the one who played him in. To go before the break. Awful defending from Ore. Corner. Fairly simple finish in the end. It was David Hassler who played the